की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Sarkar Delhi kala shimbon gilat gelanti kumno ban penduna ya jingjabo jonggal air hagane ganong ba jonggari. Nalor ki babon ki sin jam ki ba ka Sarkar kala shim mentapat kala penbena sadaka waipat ke sin jam. Bat kata kalong ba onom Shuh ya ki hinreu fu ar lak teli ki kali ban Theh pniang na Petrol pump bat on Pynap lagi Pulit hamman lagi Petrol pump ban bat ya kini ki kali. Ka Sarkar Delhi kala penbena baki kali ki bala palat ya ka khat san snem onom Shuh ban Theh Petrol kat baki babam daga diesel pat onom Shuh ya ki bala shipho snem shaneng. Kat kum ka jingkhen ba ka Sarkar kala yolum kala itu bagi don reufu ar lak teli ki ba kum kita ki kali ki bala rim bat lakot ka por jongki. Lalum jingkhen ru na ki jela ki ba marjan kum ka Haryana kadon arpenyo point san lak teli bat ka Uttar Pradesh khat ar point reuf khandai lak teli. Ka Sarkar kala IT ha ka Transport Department bakan pentelun ya gani ka kam harengkat ka jinge trailang bat ka Delhi Police, Traffic Police, bat ka Municipal Corporation of Delhi bakin pha brio ha ki Petrol pump bat ya kita ki jait kali. Ka Sarkar kala yo ya jingkhen ba kidon South pa khandai pupratali ki Petrol pump bat kan pha way officer bat arngut kilang road hamman lagi Petrol pump banom Shuh ya kita ki kali ban Theh pniang. Ban itu ya ki kali ki bala rim ka Sarkar kan le da ka automatic number plate recognition camera ki bala de banbu ha ki South pa khandai pupratali ki Petrol pump.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.